Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. Firstly, open Settings application and scroll and look for our not system option, sorry. Firstly, we must activate our develop mode. To do that, tap on my phone. There we must find our build number and tap some time to that to activate our develop mode. Confirm it entering our look screen, and now where we are developer, we can go back and choose system option where we have new additional settings developer option. Init memory, and there we have all information about our available random access memory that now we have free 7.5 gigabytes. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.